Large-scale wildfires have swept through forested areas near Jerusalem, leading Israel to declare a national emergency. The fires, which began on the 30th of April 2025, have burned over 5,000 acres, making them some of the most devastating blazes the country has faced in years. Hot, dry weather and strong winds fueled the rapid spread of the flames, forcing the evacuation of several communities and the temporary closure of key highways, including the main route between Jerusalem and Tel Aviv. Emergency responders, including over 150 firefighting teams and military units, have been working tirelessly to contain the fires. International assistance has been mobilized with firefighting aircraft and supporting arriving from Italy, Croatia, and France. Despite the extensive efforts, the fires have caused major damage to forests, agricultural lands, and national parks. Several people have been injured, mostly due to smoke inhalation. Authorities are still investigating the cause of the fires. While early reports suggest possible negligence, officials have not ruled out arson. President Isaac Herzog emphasized the role of climate change in the increasing frequency of such disasters and called for greater national preparedness. The situation remains volatile and the public is being urged to stay away from affected areas as firefighting operations continue.